Assalamualaikum student friends and viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel IT Information Guide। स्टूडेंट्स, हमने कंप्यूटर साइंस के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ की जो सीरीज़ जारी है उसके फर्स्ट 5 पार्ट्स में हमने 250 एमसीक्यूज़ हमने कवर कर लिए हैं, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सीरीज़ कंप्यूटर साइंस की जारी है। इसका ये 6 पार्ट है। तो फ्रेंड्स, जिसको भी ये मटेरियल चाहिए वो मुझे अपना ईमेल कमेंट बॉक्स करें। तो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर पार्ट 6। ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एग्जांपल ऑफ रियल सिक्योरिटी एंड प्राइवेसी रिस्क एक्सेप्ट मीन्स सवाए हैकर्स, स्पैम, वायरसेस, आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट। इनमें से स्पैम जो है वो रियल सिक्योरिटी एंड प्राइवेसी रिस्क की एग्जांपल नहीं है। सो इट इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द 4 मेजर डेटा प्रोसेसिंग फंक्शंस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर? एनालाइजिंग द डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन। The CPU and memory are located on the motherboard. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that displays the same type of intelligence that humans do. That is called artificial intelligence. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network. When creating a computer program, the dash designs the structure of the program. Who designs the structure of the program? System analyst. Computer process data into information by working exclusively with numbers. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called processing. The ability to recover and read deleted and damaged file from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called computer forensic. Where does most data go first within a computer memory hierarchy? First, the data go in RAM, random access memory. The dash data mining technique derives rules from real world case example. The dash data mining technique derives rules from the real world case example, that is neural nets. Dash are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Cookies are used to identify a user. Codes consisting of lines of varying width or length that are computer readable are known as a barcode. Why is it unethical to share copyrighted files with your friends? Sharing copyrighted files without permission breaks copyright laws. This is correct option. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym RW. Reusable optical storage. Okay. According to absorption law, A plus A dot B is equal to A. Okay, A plus A dot B equal to A. Absorption law NOR और गेट्स वगैरह आपने पढ़े होंगे, उनमें एक ऑब्जर्वेशन लॉ आता है जिसमें A प्लस A डॉट बी। आप ऑब्जर्वेशन लॉ को सर्च करें और उसके डिफरेंट रूल्स हैं, वो आप उसको पढ़ लें। A प्लस A डॉट बी होगा तो क्या होगा, A प्लस बी होगा तो क्या होगा। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, A प्लस A डॉट बी इक्वल टू A। द नंबर ऑफ ट्रैक्स इन वन सिलेंडर ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क विथ 2 platters is 4. A translator is a system software. Cray 1, Cray 2 and Cyber 205 are example of these are all are supercomputers. IBM PC, AT&T PS/2 and the Apple Macintosh are the example of these are all are example of microcomputers. Okay, you have to uh, you have to know the difference between supercomputers and microcomputers. Okay. In 1786, J.H. Muller proposed a calculating machine called a difference engine. 1786 में जो कैलकुलेटिंग मशीन बनाई थी मल्लर ने, J.H. मल्लर ने उसको क्या नाम दिया था? डिफरेंस इंजन का. Which of the following is called the first generation computer? UNIVAC-1 is the first generation computer. Which of the following software products is the most appropriate for developing web pages? Dreamweaver. Okay, Dreamweaver. Which of the following codes used in present day computing was developed by IBM Corporation? That is ABCDIC code that is using in these days. Okay, these present days. The ALU of a computer responds to a commands coming from control section. The most common type of storage devices are magnetic storage, flash memory, optical. First and the second, magnetic and the flash memory. These are all, both are storage devices. So option D is correct, both A and B. A device that connects to a network without the use of cable is said to be distributed, free, centralized. No, none of these. Okay, विदाउट यूज़ ऑफ केबल, उसको हम कौन सा कहते हैं? उस डिवाइस को वायरलेस बोलते हैं, वायरलेस. अ पर्सन हु यूज्ड हिज or her expertise to gain access to other people's computer to get information illegally or do damage is a hacker. Okay, information, when you get information illegally or damage some other's computer, that is the job of hacker. To access properties of an object, the mouse technique used is right clicking. Okay, a DVD is an example of optical disc. DVD is an optical disc. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called, from a computer on the internet to your computer, that is called downloading. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Formatting. Okay, formatting is the process of dividing the disk into track and sectors. ASCII is a coding system that provides 128 different characters. Very important MCQs. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instruction of the computer program? Which part of the computer is involved? That is the processor, which is directly involved in executing the instruction of the computer program. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs power on self-test is the correct option. The operating system may perform dash operation to manage the memory while running a large program. The operating system may perform paging operation, okay, to manage the memory while running a large program. How many minus has a calculator in the Windows? Okay, there are 3 minus. Okay, you can check in your system. Open the calculator and check how many minus your Windows calculator has. In decimal system, the base is 10, and in octal system the base is 8, hexadecimal the base is 16. These are very important and you have to know the basis of different number systems. Which logic gate is similar to the function of 2 series switches? OR. Remote computing service involves the use of time sharing and batch processing. A combination of 16 bits is called word. This is very important MCQs. Combination of 16 bits is called word. In OSI network model, the dialog control and token management are responsibility of. These two responsibilities are session layer. Okay, session layers. In OSI network model, the routing is performed by network layer. You have to know the how many layers in OSI network and what is the different functions of different layers. Every layer have different functions, so you have to know, you have to study, you have to remember the functions of these network layers. This type of MCQs is very important as well. The transmission signal coding method of TI carrier is called bipolar. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as a legacy system. Which of the following is not a binary number? Binary number क्या होते हैं? Combination of 0 and 1. 202. Option C is correct. Which of the following does not store data permanently? RAM. Okay. Random access memory doesn't store data permanently. Which of the following is the smallest storage? Megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. These are all are not smallest storage. Okay. So none of these. Which of the following contains permanent data and gets updated during the process of transaction? Permanent data and gets updated during the processing of transaction, that is master file. Large transaction processing system in automated organization use batch processing. तो फ्रेंड्स हमने 50 मोर MCQs कवर कर ली हैं विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. मेरी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और शेयर भी ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे. तो फ्रेंड्स 300 MCQs हमने कंप्यूटर साइंस की जो इम्पोर्टेंट कंप्यूटर सीरीज़ जारी थी उसके हमने 300 MCQs कवर कर लिए हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग एंड मिलते हैं पार्ट 7 के साथ. तो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.